Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cleanse and pat skin dry, then target the patch. Use a peach or orange corrector for brown melasma. This neutralizes excess blue/gray tones. Apply small dots directly to each spot, not a thick layer. Press with a damp sponge or fingertip and blend outward about 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Once covered, let it set a few seconds so pigments adhere. Make sure to keep surrounding skin clean to avoid overcorrection. Once the first layer sits, evaluate coverage. You want even neutralization, not caking. If needed, add a second thin layer only on the deepest spots. Avoid heavy application. After each thin layer, lightly press translucent or skin tone loose powder to set. This prevents shifting. Then apply a foundation that matches your neck and contains SPF, blending edges seamlessly. Make sure to pat, don't rub, and feather product outward, so correct its finish by sealing with a fine mist setting spray and then apply broad-spectrum sunscreen. This protects treated pigment and makeup. If you still see correction tone peeking through, lightly add a tiny dab of matching foundation or a sheer concealer over the spot, then reset with powder. If redness or irritation appears, stop and consult a dermatologist. Irritation can worsen pigmentation. One troubleshooting tip. If edges look sharp, soften them with a clean, damp sponge and a touch of powder to blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.